Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a bank to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your phone. On the main screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find Linked Banks under the Account and Settings section and tap on it. Here, you will see any existing linked accounts such as debit cards, credit cards, or bank accounts. To add a new bank, tap on Link Bank. Cash App will use Plaid to connect your account securely. Plaid allows Cash App to transfer money, cover purchases when your balance is low, and helps reduce fraud. Tap Continue at the bottom to proceed. You can add your phone number to create a Plaid account for faster linking in the future, or simply choose Continue as Guest. Next, search for or select your bank from the list of common options. After selecting your bank, log in using your online banking credentials. Each bank has its own process, but typically you'll need to enter your username and password. For example, if you are using Chase, you will see a login screen and then be redirected to the Chase app for verification. Once you confirm access and select the account you want to link, you will receive a confirmation message. Your bank account will now appear under Linked Accounts, and you can use it to send or receive money through Cash App. So that's basically how you can add a bank to Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.